will now let Ms. Jha examine the plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Noga, what were you doing last Friday during morning recess?
I was playing tag with my friends, like I do every day.
And during this game of tag, where did you go?
I went around the back of the school building, because nobody ever expects you to be there if you're the tagger.
Let the record show, Your Honor, that Ms. Noga didn't miss and tagged the defendant fair and square. He's just denying it because he doesn't want to admit he was outsmarted.
I've been tagged many times the exact same way. We will now let the defense cross-examine Ms. Noga.
My client, Mr. Nguyen, is the fastest person in his class, and he'd never let himself be tagged by a girl. Quite frankly, the damage that this has done to his character is unacceptable. Now, Ms. Noga, tell me, did you or did you not hear my client, Mr. Nguyen, say, miss me, now you gotta kiss me? Or was that just the sound of the wind?
He never said that.
Yeah, he did.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh? Liar.
Order! If this is true, this is a serious offense. As we all know, Ms. Noga, the punishment for missing and not kissing is 30 minutes in timeout. No phone, computer, or Nintendo Switch. The defendant may now take the stand.
Mr. Nguyen, is it true that girls are slower than boys?
That is correct. Everyone knows that.
Objection.
Overruled.
Is it not also true that all girls are gross and have cooties?
Objection.
Overruled! Girls do have cooties, and I've gotten them once myself. That's a fair point.
So, it's fair to say that if Mr. Nguyen had been tagged by Miss Noga, he would certainly have shown signs of cooties by now, right? Your Honor, I rest my case.
Your Honor, Mr. Nguyen may be good at running, but the same can't be said about his character. Mr. Nguyen, grade 2 math, Mrs. Parsons' class. You and Ms. Noga said an answer at the same time, and she said jinx before you did. Despite you owing her a soda for an entire year, she still hasn't gotten it.
We said jinx at the same time, so it doesn't count!
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh!
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh!
For the last time. Order!
Mr. Nguyen, just last week you brought your holographic Charizard Pokemon card in for show and tell, and you said, and I quote, "I love this card." Well, if you're such an honest person, why haven't you married it?
Objection, Your Honor! How is that even possible?
She's right. I don't make the laws. Why haven't you married that Charizard, Mr. Nguyen?
How can we believe anything Mr. Nguyen says? He was clearly lying about not being tagged. I rest my case.
I have to say, the defense is looking pretty shaky.
They've got me cornered. What are we gonna do? I'm way too pretty for timeout.
Don't worry. We've got a secret weapon on our side. Miss Jha, I do hate to be the bearer of bad news, but do you know what day it is today?
It's Monday. Why does that matter?
Your Honor, do you know what day it is today?
Is it pizza day?
Today, my friends, is opposite day.
Objection!
The opposite day defense.
Of course. Order in the court. Mr. Vuong, is this true? Has it really been opposite day this entire time?
It has indeed, but not anymore. Starting now.
Well, this has certainly made things more interesting. I have no choice but to postpone this trial so that we can re-examine the evidence on a later date.
Your Honor, it is things like this that prove our legal system is unjust.
Now, opposite day must be taken very seriously. We'll meet again sometime tomorrow. Until then, I hereby call a recess.